Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the son of Ayaz School Islamabad, affiliated Cassette Foundation. So here this is my TEDx on the topic of studying master. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to talk about powerful idea to learn is to be free. What does freedom really mean? Many people think freedom is about money, power, or living without rules. But true freedom begins with learning. When we learn, we understand the world better. Education gives us confidence. It helps us make better decisions. It teaches us how to solve problems. A person with knowledge cannot easily be controlled, fear, or ignorance. Imagine a child who learns how to read for the very first time. Suddenly, a whole new world opens in front of them. Books become friends, ideas become possibilities, and dreams become achievable. Learning is not limited to school and we learn from our parents, teachers, friends, experience, and even our mistakes. Every day gives us chance to grow. Sometimes people think learning is difficult or boring, but actually learning is power. The more you learn, the stronger you become mentally and emotionally. In today's digital world, knowledge is everywhere. We can learn languages, skill, technology, and creativity from our phones and computers. The opportunity is in our hands. But there is an important thing: learning only changes our lives when we apply it. Knowledge without action is like a book that is never opened. So never stop asking questions, never stop exploring, never stop improving yourself because education is not just about getting a degree, it is about becoming a better human being. Remember this simple line: when you learn, you grow, and when you grow, become a true leader. So, viewer, this is my topic. This is my TEDx on the topic of the powerful idea by Shamim Akhtar is successfully done. Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan Zindabad.